Why hunger strikes harder in winter than in summer. On chilly winter mornings, we often find ourselves hungrier than usual. But have you ever wondered why that is? Our bodies are like well-oiled machines, and just like any machine, they need fuel to function. In winter, our bodies work overtime to keep us warm, so we need more energy, more fuel, which translates to more food. Let's take a moment to understand our metabolism. It's the process by which our bodies convert what we eat into the energy we need to survive. During winter, our metabolism tends to spike. This increase in metabolic rate results in our bodies burning calories at a faster pace. To replace these expended calories, our bodies signal us to eat more, thus increasing our appetite. This is further exacerbated by the lack of sunlight in winter. Less sunlight leads to lower levels of serotonin, the mood-boosting hormone, in our bodies, which can trigger an increase in appetite. Not only do we feel hungrier in winter, but we also tend to crave comfort food. Rich, hearty meals are satisfying and warming, but they're also high in calories. Even our evolutionary history has a role to play. Our ancestors didn't have the comfort of modern heating during harsh winters. To survive, their bodies needed to store fat, which required consuming more food. So, our bodies, in all their complex, biological brilliance, drive us to consume more in winter to maintain our energy levels and body temperature, and even to boost our mood. While it's okay to indulge a little during the colder months, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet. Consuming nutrient-rich foods will keep us healthy and our metabolism efficient. So, the next time you're questioning why you're reaching for that extra serving of mashed potatoes, remember, it's just your body doing its job to keep you warm and energized. In conclusion, our drive to eat more in winter is a combination of biological, psychological, and evolutionary factors. So, embrace your winter appetite, but remember to keep it balanced and healthy.